A common source that you are going to find yourself using in research is online databases. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a citation within a project using NoodleTools. So within your project, you are going to open the project that you need to create a source for. And in the upper right-hand corner, you are going to click the green New Source button. For the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to select Database. Even though you are accessing this database via website, a website that does not contain database content is cited a little bit differently. So you want to make sure that you're selecting Database and Original Content in Database. Now, the thing that I want to show you that's really important, because this makes citing so easy, is the quick cite copy and paste a citation. So one way to do this is to find the citation on the bottom of the article. So for example, Galen context, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the document, you've got your source right there. You can change the type of citation, but for the purposes of these tutorials, we are going to use MLA. So it's already done for you, and you're just going to select it, and then that copies it. And then you will go back to your NoodleTools and click that quick cite, copy and paste a citation, and then paste it right in there. You're going to see this note in yellow that says, do not assume the citation is correct. So that is definitely very important. Sometimes citations can be wrong for whatever reason. And make sure that you reapply any text formatting, because italics in citations are actually important. So if this pasted and this was no longer italicized, you would want to make sure that you go ahead and fix that. All of the Gale stuff is right here for me. So I already have my URL, which is the website address, and I already have the access date, and I already have the publication date right here. So my job is done because Gale did that for me. If I wanted to add any notes down here, I could do that in the annotation spot. But for now, that's all I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And so now I have another source on here. For other databases, it's not quite as easy. You might have to find a button or an icon that says citation or cite. So on Clio, I was able to find that button at the very top of the article. So sometimes you're going to have to scroll around in a database to find this option. So if I hit cite, it is going to give me all of these citation options. But remember, we are doing MLA, so you do not want to just select the first one that comes up. You want to make sure that you are selecting the MLA one, and you are going to just highlight that. You are going to copy it, and you are going to go back here, hit New Source, Database, Original Content in Database, and do that quick cite one more time. We double check, we make sure the formatting is still correct, we make sure all of the information is there that we have, and we hit save. So that's very easy. If you ever find yourself on a database that does not have those options, you would just enter it manually. And so if I were going to enter a database manually, I would just find all of that information. So the name of the database, who published it, when was it published, the URL, again, that's the website address. When did you access it? It's probably today, and if it is, you can just hit today, and it does that for you. And then any contributors or authors, and the article title. And once you have entered all that, you would hit save, and it would save it for you. So that is how you cite using a database. Pretty easy, huh?